The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is 5 strategies to discover business ideas from employees. And our guest speaker today are Kiran Sabnis. He's the principal architect at Innovation, and Sai Prakash Bilsare. He's the head innovation and manager with Fiserv India. Kiran Sabnis heads the user experience and innovation groups at Fiserv India. He holds a master's degree in product design from Industrial Design Center, IIT Bombay, and has over 20 years of rich experience in the domain of user experience design and innovation consulting. Prior to joining Fiserv, he worked with various MNCs like IBM, Tech Mahindra, and GE Global Exchange Services, where he was instrumental in strategizing, developing, institutionalizing, and maturing UX practice across the global organizations. Sai Prakash Bilsare is an innovation evangelist at Fiserv India who has hands-on and minds-on experience of designing and managing organization-wide innovation programs for Fiserv, iGate, and Patni Computers. Besides his global delivery experience with Emerson, his key focus areas including generating associate ideas for new products, solutions, service lines, maturing ideas into business cases, anchoring intensive boot camps, reusing technology assets, innovation workshops, and fostering a culture of innovation. Sai was a key contributor in iGate's win at the prestigious Golden Peacock Innovation Management Award 2012 and filed a patent for a business solution. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speakers. Over to you, Kiran.
Hey, thanks a lot, Aradhana, and it was a great introduction, and I thank TechGig for giving us an opportunity to present this 5 strategies to discover business ideas from employees. I am Kiran Sabnis, and I'm going to introduce you about Fiserv first. So Fiserv, the acronym is from Financial Services. We are one of the leading enterprises in BFSI domain, banking, financial services, and insurance. Having a very diverse client base, and it has got corporate office in Brookfield, Wisconsin, US, and also we have got a strong presence in India with around 4,000 associates located in Pune, Noida, Bangalore, and Chennai.